was me getting ready this morning, but now it is the nighttime. Vlogmas is going to be a little different from here on out because I have family staying with me for the rest of the month. So I don't want to have a camera in their space. So I'm going to basically kind of check in the evening and do a little bit more marketing heavy content because I can kind of just summarize some of the things that I'm working on, some of the things that I'm finding that you might find useful. So today I'm talking all about Facebook Reels because I just posted another one today. I'm going to walk you through me creating a reel from about an hour ago is when I did it. And so I recorded my screen so you can see exactly what I did in order to set up the Facebook Reel. I just know that the Reels right now are performing so much better organically than a regular Facebook post. And if you were like me, and my target market really is on Facebook, it's that 25 and up market. You know, I'm targeting homeowners because we're in a service company. Just to summarize the basics about Facebook Reels, for one, it's only available in certain countries. I know that they're definitely available in the US, Canada, Mexico, India. I don't think that they're available everywhere worldwide just yet. So if it's not working for you and you're not in one of the countries I just mentioned, that's probably why. You also cannot create a reel on your desktop. You have to do it from your phone, either an iOS or Android device. And Facebook Reels are only 30 seconds, not the 60-second reels like Instagram or like a TikTok video. A couple cool things about Facebook Reels are that, for one, you can use your own audio, which I guess you can do on the other Reels as well. So you can use your own audio, or they also have an audio library that you can use. However, if you do use your own audio, you're basically saying that it's cool for anybody else to use that audio in another Reel. So just so you know. And also in Facebook Reels, you can add your account URL within your captions or within your description. So that's kind of cool. Why Facebook Reels are doing better organically than, say, like a Facebook post, your Reels are shown to anybody with that particular interest instead of people who are following you. So your posts are only shown to your exact audience, whereas Reels on Facebook has the potential to reach a much, much wider audience if that audience falls within that interest category. So now that I've given you a few specifics about Reels, let's go into the reel that I made just a little bit ago, and I'll show you how I did it. Okay, so I'm going to watch the screen recording that I did of my reel a little bit ago and walk you through what I was doing as I was setting this reel up. And I was doing this reel through my business account. So go into your business account, scroll down, and click right here where it says reel. And then you choose, I already had a video created that I wanted to use, so I just pulled that up. And then I hit the closed caption button, or the little sticker looking thing on the side. So now it's transcribing the audio. Just always a good idea since a lot of people watch this with the sound off. It does a really good job in the transcription, so it's a really easy step. So now I'm going to write the description of my reel. And this is really important. People always respond to a little bit longer of a description. The more kind of keywords that you can use, the better. You can also add hashtags to your description. You can tag other accounts. It's really versatile in what you can do. And when you're creating hashtags or kind of keywords for your descriptions, you want to think about three things. You want to think about hashtags that are about you, hashtags that are about your ideal follower, and hashtags about your content. So for instance, I'm going to put hashtags about us like HVAC technician, HVAC Olathe, and hashtags about my ideal follower would be something like hashtag homeowner, hashtag homeownership tips, something like that. Hashtag about my content would be like hashtag HVAC tips, hashtag furnace tips, something like that. So now I'm going to click on share this reel now that I'm all finished up. And of course, I just always check it on my personal account and make sure that I watch it and everything's working okay. So that's basically it. It's pretty simple. I edit a lot of my reels down from YouTube videos that I've already made, or you can just create a straight reel on your own. I have a couple of ideas specifically for reels, for the short video content that I'm excited to make, so I'll show that to you coming up here pretty soon. Oh, I almost forgot to show you my stats. So the one that I just posted here today, literally, yeah, it's not even an hour ago, like 45 minutes. It was the full 30 seconds, and it already has 56 people reached with 6 engagements. And like for an organic post on Facebook, that's really good. I mean, my other posts, like I said yesterday, a good post is one that reaches 200 people. And again, this is like a fraction of our follower count, but that's just how Facebook is. So to be able to break free of Facebook only showing your post to your followers is an amazing opportunity. And another reel, at this point, 8,474 people reached and 8,079 engagements, which is unheard of for at least posts on this particular Facebook account. Very happy about the reels. I hope you try them out too. If you are a marketing manager or running a small business, I think it's an easy win. I will see you tomorrow for another marketing manager video, and I hope you have an amazing day.